Hi, this is Sato. In this video, I will introduce three magnificent places in Miyako City. The first one is Makiyama Observatory. This was built based on a bird called Sashiba in Japanese and is located in Irabu Island. You can look out over Irabu Bridge, Kurima Island, Miyako Island, and Ikema Island from here. I mean, you can see almost all of Miyako City all at once. Walkways are maintained here, and it was very nice to have been able to walk on the ways surrounded by subtropical plants. It takes about 20 minutes from Miyako Airport and just over 10 minutes from Shimojishima Airport by car. If you like it, I really want you to go there. The next one is Ryugujo Observatory in Kurima Island. This island is so small that you can look out over the whole of this island from here. The bridge you're watching now is Kurima Bridge. And soon before finishing crossing the bridge, you will find a beautiful beach on your left, and it's called Yonahamahama Beach, which is said to be the most beautiful in the eastern world. It takes about 20 minutes from Miyako Airport and about 40 minutes from Shimojishima Airport by car to get to this observatory. The last one is Higa Road Park. This is not so much a park as a place for drivers to have a short break. The view from here is like beyond description. No matter how tired you are because of driving, it will be taken away as soon as you see the view. It takes about 25 minutes from Miyako Airport and about 50 minutes from Shimojishima Airport by car. There is no playground and equipment for children to play on. If you go east from here, there is a famous beach called Aragusuku Kaigan, which is famous for a snorkeling spot where you can probably see sea turtles. On your way to the beach, you can drop in at Higa Road Park unless you take another road. I'll write to everyone, how was this video? The three places I mentioned in this video definitely make your trip cool and deep. Thank you very much for watching this video until the end. See you next time. Bye.